Alabama, among the least vaccinated states in the country. And while the vaccine does help decrease the chance of severe COVID cases, we now see what's called breakthrough cases. This has medical professionals recommending the use of masks again, vaccinated or not. Our Nixon Norman tells us why.
Back in May of this year, the CDC said that fully vaccinated people did not have to wear masks in certain places. Many medical experts are rethinking this decision, specifically UAB's Dr. Marrazzo, who gives 3 reasons as to why people in Alabama should consider masking up again.
One is because we have such a low rate of vaccination in Alabama. That means we have a lot of uninfected people who are vulnerable to being infected and who then can infect other people. So if we were in a state that was incredibly highly vaccinated where everybody was protected, I might be a little bit less likely to recommend that.
Most of the COVID-related hospitalizations we are seeing right now have to do with the Delta variant, which is said to be the most contagious variant yet.
The second reason is that the Delta virus is so contagious, so much more contagious than the original strains, that you need every added layer of protection you can get to avoid getting it. So especially if you're unvaccinated.
Ever since the COVID-19 vaccine made its way onto the scene, there has been talk of booster shots and how additional doses are recommended. And as of right now, immunocompromised people are the only ones who can receive these additional shots. But before too long, booster shots will be available to the general public. Until then, to cut down on what are called breakthrough cases, which is when a fully vaccinated person does catch COVID, people can wear masks to decrease their chances of infection.
And then the third reason is that we are seeing evidence of immunity from the initial round of vaccines starting to wane. And that's why the administration last week floated this idea of booster shots, which may start as soon as September 20th.
Nixon Norman, Fox 54 News.